Hey everyone, this is Dara from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. It's a great time to be alive. So hopefully everybody's settled in and having a great day, great evening, great good morning out there. So we got a quick video for you. We're going to give you some updates. We're going to show you that still we got lots of whales buying up the Bitcoin, guys. So this is not the end, absolutely not the end. There's a lot of FUD in the street right now, and people are saying that this is it, this is the end, and that crypto is going to go down from here. I'm going to show you, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to prove to you that that is absolutely not the case, guys. Absolutely not the case. So let's jump into it without any further delay. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is just an OG in the house expressing his opinion, and I'm not a licensed financial advisor. So you guys all need to know out there that crypto is a huge jungle out there, guys. And remember, crypto is a zero-sum game. If you're winning, means somebody's losing. So watch out, guys. Watch out for nasty scammers in the content, and watch out for the bots, guys. So let's jump into it without any further delay. So we're seeing right now, if we take a look at the heat map in the house, we're still seeing that BTC is down. It was above 40 today. It's gone down, down. Ethereum is also down. It looks like we're seeing a lot of stuff going down. BNB is still in the green zone, but probably by the time you're watching this video, we're going to see BNB also in the red zone in the house, guys. So that's not what we expected. But remember, this is midweek right now. So typically during midweek, we see a lot of dumpage going on. And we're going to talk about the leverage traders and see what kind of shenanigans they're getting up to. But typically, you see that Wednesday and Thursday, we often have a dump. Typically, so I think that we're going to be seeing a little bit of a dump today, ladies and gentlemen. So right now, as a top 10 mentioned coins on Twitter in the last hour, we got BTC, Ethereum, Shiba Inu, Matic, XRP, Doge, Anchor, and ADA, Ape, and DFI, guys. So we're still seeing that Doge is in the top spot, guys, and Shiba Inu is also in the top spot. A lot of people are still talking about Shiba Inu because of the whole Robinhood listing yesterday. So that was a huge catalyst for Shiba Inu. Also, in my previous video, if you guys are watching, we had this whole Doge radio catalyst, which is really cool, that they're going to have high frequency radio waves that you can set up anywhere. They have a line of sight about 150 miles, and you can connect those together. And, basically, if you don't have internet, you don't need internet to do Dogecoin transactions, because eventually these high-frequency radio towers, they're going to be connected to a substation satellite dish that's going to go up to Starlink, provided by Elon Musk. And that will allow the stateless and the bankless in developing countries in the middle of nowhere, they don't have access to internet, to be able to do Dogecoin transactions, to buy, sell, and use Dogecoin to buy things, to kind of make their life much better. So that is going to be cool. When that actually does deploy in a short period of time, we're probably going to see Dogecoin go to the moon, guys. So this just coming in, if you guys take a look at Bitcoin treasuries, you can still see that, the total number of countries that own Bitcoin is about 271,000 Bitcoins are owned by countries. ETFs are holding about 817,000 Bitcoin. Public companies are holding about 258,000. Private companies 202. So, if you look at the top holder right now, we have, right now we've got MicroStrategy. They got 121, like Tesla right now. We got Voyager, Marathon, and a whole bunch of other cryptocurrencies out there. So this is pretty cool beans, guys. In terms of countries, we have Bulgaria as the number one, Ukraine, El Salvador, Finland, and Georgia. And then private country, we have Block One out of Hong Kong, Luna Foundation right now, Luna Foundation out of, I guess that's out of Turkey. Actually, this information, not that it should be updated, as you're going to see later, guys. So right now, you can see that the third biggest Bitcoin wallet out there, they're still buying up the Bitcoin today. They bought 417 Bitcoin, worth over $16 million, guys. So that is huge. They also bought up yesterday. They also bought up today 138 as well. So they've been buying up like crazy, guys. So, do not panic in the house. If the whales and the smart money is still buying up Bitcoin, then you got nothing to worry about. And I often look at this wallet, and you can see that, this Bitcoin whale, he's still buying Bitcoin. So, if Bitcoin was going to tank, this guy would not be buying Bitcoin, he would be dumping Bitcoin. Now, something interesting here happened on the 0405, and that's pretty close to when we had the Miami conference happen. You can see that he dumped $139 million worth of Bitcoin. So that was probably part and parcel why we saw some of the dumpage out there. So he definitely bought and dumped the Bitcoin, and he dumped the Bitcoin. I think he paid a price. You can see here, his average price was about $46,000. So he absolutely knew something, because all of those coins that he dumped at $46,000, he then went back and bought them back up again at $40,000. So that's kind of interesting. So you guys should keep an eye on this account, because, you know, if this guy starts selling, then you know that it's time to sell as well, guys. So this is something, it's kind of a benchmark that I like to look at, like to use, guys. So that is cool beans in the house. Something else that it looks like Terra owns almost the same amount of Bitcoin as Tesla. Will Terra, the latest 2.5K Bitcoin purchase, be enough to stop the downturn? So you can see here, this is Luna's wallet, and you can see that Luna right now, they have around about 42,406 Bitcoin, and that is about $1.687 billion worth of Bitcoin, and that puts them almost at the same level as Tesla. So let's take a look at what Tesla has again. So you can see right now that Tesla owns 42,902. Tesla still owns more Bitcoin than Luna Foundation, but probably with the next big buy, we're going to see that Luna is going to definitely be passing Tesla and be the second largest holder of Biddy in the house. And remember, Dogecoin, he likes to buy a lot of that Bitcoin on the spot, on the spot. So that is spot trading, and not over the OTC. So that's going to have a huge impact on the cryptocurrency. So that's pretty huge in the house. So looks like Crypto.com's Kronos partner with Chainlinks to track CRT tokens. So it looks like, you know, Crypto.com have just partnered with Chainlink to provide some tracking and on-chain analysis for Crypto.com. So that's pretty good. So launched in late 2021, the Kronos network has amassed over 450,000 DeFi and NFT users, because as you guys don't know, Crypto.com recently has also launched its NFT platform as well. So that is pretty cool beans. So this is going to help the Kronos to be more consistent and be able to improve and increase the analytics that they can get from Chainlink. So that is going to be good. So Chainlink is to enable real-time transaction monitoring tools for Kronos tokens on all CRC20 tokens running on the Kronos network, according to the announcement shared with Telegraph on Wednesday. And this also comes part of its new compliance and all those kind of regulations. That's pretty cool beans in the house. This also coming in right now. Looks like Yellen's path to regulate crypto will be tech neutral. So, you know, Yellen, she's done really a huge 180-degree turn, and she's pretty much loving and liking the crypto right now. And in her first prepared speech devoted to the topic of digital assets, U.S. Treasury Secretary Yellen laid out a path to regulate crypto. She also stated the U.S. issued a central digital bank currency could take years to develop, Bloomberg reports. So maybe they should start using Doge, guys. What do you think about that? In her speech, she really talked about, that Yellen said that any regulations will have to be tech neutral. So that is pretty cool beans. And she elaborated that digital asset issues and service providers should spend some time being able to protect consumers against fraud and misinformation. So she had this whole speech. She was talking about, Bitcoin and blockchain, and how that blockchain is pretty good, and that Bitcoin is not bad. It's not nefarious like everybody was thinking. And that is pretty good news that she's taking that 180-degree turn on the Bitcoin. So that's pretty bullish overall, guys. So we're seeing right here that this is from TA Analyst, and Bitcoin leading a diagonal pattern wave of bullish impulse targets $67,000. So we could be seeing $67,000 coming for June. So booyah, guys. So even though things are going down, down, you can see that Bitcoin whales are still buying up the Bitcoin. Good morning, whales out there. And a lot of TA analysts are saying that summer's going to be a huge pumpity pump to the upside, guys. So this is huge. Also, this is from Trader J. Destroy all the bears, BTC. So from the support level that we have right now at around about 38,200, we could be seeing a huge lift off and taking us up to $65,000. Looks like crypto lending firm Celsius won't give rewards to any U.S. accounts unless verified. So a lot of Celsius customers in the U.S. have basically got an email today saying that they won't be able to get any more rewards unless they are verified. And in line with this recent regulatory guidance, there will be changes in the way our Earn product will work. So if you're not in the U.S., you don't have nothing to worry about. So Celsius analysis only transfer from accredited U.S.-based investors. So to be accredited based U.S. investor, you have to have like over $300,000 in assets, and like if you're the rich, you're going to get richer, and if you're poor, you're going to stay poor. So that's what that's all about, guys and gals. So let's take a look at the Shiba Inu price right now. The Shiba Inu price has dropped below the 100-day moving average, so that is not good right now. And we're seeing that Shiba Inu is at 25.92, and that's down about 3% on the day. So let's hope that Shiba Inu can do a good reversal in the house. And we're seeing that Shiba Inu 43% are in the money, 50% are out, guys. Let's take a look at the Doge. So for the price of Dogecoin right now, we're seeing that Dogecoin is also dropping below our 14-cent support level, and it's at 13.78. So as long as we stay above 13 cents, we're going to be just fine. This is a 13.50 support level right here. So this is pretty cool beans in the house. So I'm hoping that the Doge can stay above that support level, and I think it will. I don't think we're going to go below that. We can see that from time and time again. We're seeing that Dogecoin does go down to the 13.5 level and bounce up from there. So I'm pretty confident that Dogecoin won't go below the 13.5 level. So, but it also depends on Bitcoin. And remember that right now 58% of all Dogecoin holders are in the money, 37% are out, guys. If we take a look at the leverage apes right now, we can see that we have 44,841 leverage traders getting wrecked out there, and that is 132.75 million. And we're still seeing that a lot of people are still shorting and longing the Dogecoin. We have 3.35 million people have leverage traded the Doge. 2.45 million have leverage traded the Shiba Inu in the house. So right now we're seeing that in the 4-hour time period, we're seeing a lot of longs on the 1-hour longs. And on the 24-hour long. So guys, get ready, because we're definitely going to be seeing that the Bitcoin price is going to be going down, down. And we're seeing that, overall, we're seeing a lot of leverage traders being wrecked. It's just, like they just spoil the party for everybody. I'm telling you, it's just a nightmare out there. They just need to stop it, guys. They absolutely need to stop it in the house. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin right now. So that my itty bitty baby is around about 39,781, and we are still being supported by our support level at around about 39,200. So if we can maintain that support, I have nothing to worry about. But if we drop below that 39,200 level, then that's going to take us down to the 38,000. And if that doesn't hold, then we're definitely going to be going down to the 35. And if that doesn't hold, then we should go as low as $28,000 to $29,000. And from there, we should see a huge bounce to the upside. So that's what I'm thinking. That's what you should be thinking. So don't panic in the house. And we're seeing right now that Ethereum is just on the borderline between $3,000. So hopefully we can stay up there. If not, then we're definitely going to be going down to around about $2,600 in the house. So expect that most of crypto is going to go down today, and also so a lot of volatility and turbulence is going to happen tomorrow as well. Because midweek we see the dumps, guys, and this is definitely going to be dumpage in the house. So we're seeing that Phantom right now is also down. It's at $1.15, and it's just kind of midway through the channel. So Phantom is actually not doing too bad. It's kind of holding its own out there. We're also seeing right now that Solana is still at $100, and it is just gingerly below 102 level of support. So our next support level for Phantom, Solana in the house is going to be about around about here, which is around about $94. So let's keep that green, and hopefully that will stay green, and that will move on up to the upside. We're seeing that Cardano is just going sideways right now, and it's at 93.9. Once it drops below $85, gets in this region here. 85 cents, sorry, excuse me. Once it gets around about this region here, I'm definitely going to be picking up more 88 in the house. Let's take a look at the total market cap right now. So right now the market cap is unchanged from my previous video. We're at about 1.89 trillion. The volume is at 61.01, and the Bitcoin down is at 40.18 in the house. And if you look at the carnage, and we're seeing a lot of carnage, right? The altcoins are bleeding out. Bitcoin's bleeding out. Bitcoin's down 2% right now. We're seeing Ethereum is down. We're seeing that BNB is still holding pretty strong. It's at 415. And like I said, any of these projects that are under 15%, it's a good time to be buying the dips and look at buying crypto on discount, guys. So Solana is a good pickup. It's down 6.22%. We're seeing 88 is down as well, 3.48% in the house, and that's at 94. Luna Tuna is down 24.81%. for the last 7 days. So that is a good pickup, guys. Absolutely a good pickup in the house. We're seeing that the Avalanche is also down 3.26%. Doji Woji is also down. Dotty Waddy Watt's down as well. And we're seeing that Shiba Inu is also turning red right now. It's also down. So we're seeing a lot of redness out there. So that's not what you want to see. That's not what you want to be, guys. So from that perspective, don't forget to go and follow me on Twitter. Smash the likes, subscribe, BYB, boop that's like, boop that likes, and don't forget to comment, and don't forget to give super chats. I would appreciate it. Don't forget to go out and check out the links, guys. The links you can find at the bottom of every video. Remember, none of this is financial advice. It's just an OG in the house expressing his opinion, guys. And guys and gals, don't forget to go pick up the merch. Gear up with the OG gear, guys. Get the hoodie, get the backpack, get the cap. The cap makes you absolutely smarter, guys. So with that being said, guys, I just want to say God bless each and every one of you. Don't be greedy. Don't leverage trade, and definitely don't invest more than you're willing to lose. That's so important. And remember, crypto is a zero-sum game out there. So before you can win, there has to be losers, guys. So the best way to make money in this business is just do one thing. It's not financial advice. Dollar cost average, hodl like crazy. I mean, hey, if you want to be a trader, you want to day trade and swing trade, that's your thing. God bless you. Good luck with that. But unless you're super duper experienced, you're probably going to lose more money than you're going to gain, guys. So what I've been doing is I've just be patient, dollar cost average, wait for life-changing wealth, and that's kind of the sum of it. So guys, God bless you. You can still see the whales are still accumulating Bitcoin like crazy, and have a great day. Be blessed. Be humble. Peace out. This is OG, the Rick Flair Crypto. Woo! In the house, guys. I love it. You love it. Let's get it.